off the property. You can't be on the property.
Do you own the property? Do you own it?
Do you own the property?
Do you own the property? Do you own the property? But do you own it?
No, I don't own it.
Well, then why don't we'll wait for somebody
to... flashlight.
Yeah, we'll wait for someone to ask us to get off the property. You don't own the property. What's up, guys? Yesterday at Channel, Direct D was arrested in Mesa, Arizona. They basically solicited a trespass. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen Mesa PD do this before on Direct D's channel. And when I went to Mesa, Arizona to record with Direct D, they tried to solicit a trespass on us. She didn't come out and tell us. You don't own the property. That's not how the law works.
Talk to the owner.
She needs to come out and tell us. Do you not know how the law works?
Stop.
Do you not know how the law works?
Get off the property.
Okay, I need you to identify.
I don't. You need to get off the property.
What's your badge number?
You don't need my badge number. Back up.
But she didn't come out and tell us.
It doesn't matter.
Well, how do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you not know? How do you know I'm not a guest? How do you know I'm not a guest? Did she not come out? She hasn't come out and tell us nothing.
I understand that.
What's your badge number? What's your name?
You guys are going to be famous.
What is it?
Okay.
What is it?
Technically, we're not on the property, so you better relax.
You are on the property. Get on the sidewalk.
You will be arrested.
You're on the sidewalk.
They detained and handcuffed Twisted Imagery, a newer channel. They released them, but this is what they're doing in Mesa, Arizona, guys. I'm going to show you a clip from my video. That way you guys could understand exactly what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to show you clips from Direct D's last live stream where he got arrested after they basically did the same thing, solicited a trespass. So he was arrested for trespassing. And without further ado, here you guys go. You gonna go solicit a trespass? You're gonna go? Shut up! Stop telling me what to do.
She's gonna go solicit.
Little girl.
Where you going, ma'am? Soliciting a trespass.
Yeah, you're talking to a real man, little girl. Not even your daddy can talk to me like that.
So she's over here soliciting a trespass.
She's trying to solicit a trespass. We're gonna teach her how the law works. Then we'll go make a complaint.
Are you gonna kick your door down for that trespass?
We're gonna go make a complaint on her.
Hey, that's title 18.
Hey guys, I want to point something out real quick. Look at the way she talks to the lady inside the building. This is what the police officers do to the people. They want the people's support. They want the people to propagate back to blue and all that. But look at how they treat the people. They want the people to go against the people. They want this lady to come out and trespass us. This is what Mesa Police Department is doing. They're soliciting trespasses and they're making the people hate the people. Now keep in mind, guys, if you own a business and you listen to the cops and you trespass the people, imagine how other people will feel about your business. They might even leave you bad reviews. Do you really want to back the blue in these situations? The cops are wrong. They're not supposed to be doing this. They're not supposed to be soliciting trespasses, and they're not supposed to be arresting people just because they don't want to be recorded. Yeah. What's your name and badge number?
Open the door.
Look at how rude she is to her.
Open the door.
Hey, who speaks Spanish? Soliciting a trespass right here.
She's gonna go in and
Hey, can we get your name and badge number?
Two of them. Come on.
Excuse me. Can we get your name and badge number?
You need to relax.
That's fine. Can we get your name and badge number really quick? Rude little girl. Can we get your name and badge number? Yeah, we can.
I'm declaring the authority.
Back up, please.
Hey, Sergeant, can I get you to identify really quick? Are you a mute?
Are you soliciting a trespass? 242 conspiracy to violate.
Yeah, but you don't know.
Conspiring to violate our rights right now, dummy.
It's private property. That's fine, but you don't own it. You guys don't know how the law works.
Conspiracy to violate rights. You guys are seeing it right here. This is Mesa PD for you. Congratulations, stupid.
Now they're trying to bully the lady into forcing her to tell us to leave. Now we're gonna take a look at Direct D's video, but I want to remind you guys, Mesa Police Department, they're not playing by the rules. They're not abiding by their policy. They're not respecting people's rights. And now they're propagating against the people. They're saying that people are going out to instigate, to do this, to do that. But when I went out there, they were the ones that accosted us first, telling us to get off property that absolutely did not belong to them. Now, why is that? If they want to be treated with respect, they need to respect the people first because they work for the people. They act like they work for themselves, and they always talk about officer safety, which we all know is cowardice. Only public safety could be heroism, folks. Go subscribe to Direct D. Let's bring the court of public opinion over to Mesa, Arizona, and let's let that police department know that they cannot be soliciting trespasses and they cannot turn the people against the people. I'm going to drop Direct D's link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go subscribe. Let them know I sent you. Here's Direct D's arrest video.
Move down and off their property, please.
Hey, you guys are blocking the tape.
Hey,
You have to move. You're gonna be in my crime scene.
have them walk down off the property. No trespass. Did you get a call, stupid?
Hey, you're blocking my tape. Go.
Did you get a call, stupid, or are you just trespassing people for no reason, huh?
You're blocking my tape.
Shut up, dude. Shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up, too. There is no crime, so they just had the helicopter out on us again. We're on private property. This ain't a crime scene.
How am I supposed to get out when you've got me?
Look at this shit. Wow. You're okay with them blocking your business off like this? Shut the fuck up, dude.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. All for that traffic stop, bro. Wow.
Hey, you guys have to go. Okay. We're at 1410 right here. What is this hotel name? We're at American Eats. These people here are... We're scaring them away? You see what's happening with the cops, right? Oh, you do? They help you? I got you. Okay. Definitely go check these guys right here. They help them.
We got taped off.
This ain't taped off over here.
No, it's not taped off over here. So that's their crime scene over there. We didn't step over the crime scene tape. We walked around it.
Guys, about dumb shit.
His duty.
We're out here onto the sidewalk right here. You see him?
Just lifted up. The camera doesn't lie.
Other side of what? You don't have nothing blocked off.
You don't have anything blocked off.
Sidewalk's not blocked off, Jimmie.
He didn't do his job.
Share this around, you guys. These guys are about to try and do some dumb.
That's a crime scene you got there.
Look at this. They have nothing blocked over here. Are you happy when you got to do stuff like this, man? Is this proud of your job? He's happy. This dude's a chicken shit little punk right here.
Even though he couldn't do his job right.
That's the one that arrested me on my warrant right there. Smash the like button, you guys. He took off. So you guys see this? They did all the happens.
Taxpayers' money for this thing. We're absolutely nothing.
You guys smash the like button, share this around, and definitely get on your phones. Their stop's over.
Now they're gonna rip it off.
Oh, yeah. See what they got for us here.
You guys look like fools, man, putting up all this. No number markers?
Do you think this is going to help when you guys try and get them laws passed? Approach them and cause chaos. We know what the game is, dude. Did you get all of us? Did you get all of us on body? Shut up, motherfucker. Yeah, get me on body cam saying dumb shit so you can get a law passed. Ed Westing ain't smart. We know what the game is. Bye-bye, sucker. Don't touch me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Arrest for trespassing.
Dude, I haven't trespassed.
public
You guys
property.
see this right here?
You're right here on the property.
This is an easement.
Oh,
Are you serious?
Put your camera down.
You guys see this right here?
Can I have his phone? Take my camera. Taking his camera. Step back. It's his property. We can go on. Pick up his equipment. You were asked to buy the property. You didn't trust it. Not come back on the property.
Grab that microphone.
This right here is the property where you're walking from that.
Behind that car.
You want help looking for somebody outstanding? Or 6 Union, I have been a couple folks speaking on me.
Can I have his camera, please?
Front of 18, Sam 11. Do you need Falcon to help look for anybody?
Negative, Falcon. Thank you for us. Actually, we have no crime. We got the purse back. We're all good here. 21314.
All they can do is ask us to leave. They can't ID anybody.
The property owner doesn't want you on the property.
Oh, did you solicit a trespass? Hey, oh, it is Deuce. No wonder. You would solicit a trespass on film.
Just stay on the
fucking idiot.
sidewalk.
But you're not.
them out, dude.
We need her to come tell us.
This is Deuce.
Yeah, I don't think you understand how the law works.